Right, welcome back. Last lesson we started looking at rules of indices, and I'm going to take this one step further today. So this is the second part of the lesson. And you'll notice there's only 3 questions on there today, but each question looks slightly different to what I gave you in the previous lesson, okay? What's different is that we've got integers, whole numbers, at the start, and that does affect things slightly, but the basic rules are the same. So let's have a look at the first one. So we've got 2x to the power of 5 times by 3x to the power of 4. Now what we need to do is we need to split this up into 2 different areas, okay? The first thing we need to split it up into is your whole numbers, okay? 2 from there, 3 from there, okay? Times in the middle, 2 times 3 equals 6. Everyone should be fine on that. 2 times 3 is 6, we know our times tables. The second part to it, okay, is your powers. So we've got x to the power of 5 times by x to the power of 4. Now, thinking back to last lesson, okay, what's our answer to this? Okay, when we're timesing and we've got powers and the bases are the same, okay, we add the powers. So we get 6x to the power of 9. And that's our answer, okay? So it is slightly different because we've got whole numbers at the start. It doesn't have to be whole numbers, it could be any sort of, it could be decimals, okay? But it still works in exactly the same way. If we look at the next one now, okay, we're going to split this up again. Have a go at this. If you want to, put this on pause and see what answer you get. Have a go. If you get it wrong, you get it wrong, okay? So we're going to split it up. We're going to do 18 divided by 6. And we're going to do y to the power of 7 divided by y to the power of 10. Okay, have a go at that. Okay, pause it, have a go, press play, see what you get, okay? 18 divided by 6 is 3. Y to the power of 7 divided by y to the power of 10. Now I put this in as a bit of a trick, okay, just to see if you can get it, okay? 7 minus 10 is minus 3. Okay, 10 minus 7 is 3. 7 minus 10 is minus 3. So we'd have y to the minus 3. So our answer would be 3y to the power of minus 3. Okay, just be careful on that, but the rule is exactly the same. Next one then, what we have here is we've got 9z to the power of 5 times by 9z to the power of 5. That's what squared means. We all know that. If something's squared, it's multiplied by itself. Okay? And then this looks exactly the same as that. Okay? So we'd have 9 times by 9 equals 81. Z to the power of 5 times by z to the power of 5 is z to the power of 10. So you'd have 81z to the power of 10. Okay? So the basics of this is still exactly the same as what we were doing last week, or last lesson. However, we're now starting to add in these numbers at the beginning of each index notation, okay? If you've got any questions on this, let me know, okay? Otherwise, I'm going to give you a worksheet so you can have a go at it. And have a good day, guys.